In today's video, you will learn how to remove background in Photoroom. Photoroom makes this process extremely simple because it uses automatic background detection tools that can separate the subject from the background in just a few seconds, without needing advanced editing skills. To get started, begin by selecting your picture. You can do this by clicking on Insert and then choosing Select an Image. This allows you to browse through your files and choose the image you want to edit. Make sure to pick the exact photo you want to work with, since this will be the image where the background gets removed automatically. Once you select the image, it will load into the editor and appear on your workspace. At this stage, you should be able to clearly see the original background behind your subject. This could be a plain wall, an outdoor scene, a room background, or anything else captured in the photo. The next step is very simple. After the image has been added into Photoroom, click on Remove Background. As soon as you select this option, the software will automatically begin scanning the image to identify the main subject. Photoroom uses AI tools to separate the foreground from the background, making the process much faster compared to manual editing methods. Depending on the image quality and the complexity of the background, the processing may take a few moments to complete. Images with better lighting and a clear subject usually produce more accurate results. Once the background removal is finished, you should immediately see the subject isolated with the background removed. In many cases, the removed background will appear transparent, making the image much easier to place onto different designs, thumbnails, presentations, or edited visuals. This is especially useful if you want a cleaner and more professional appearance without distracting elements behind the subject. If needed, you can continue adjusting or positioning the image after the background has been removed. This method works great for portraits, product photos, logos, and social media content, because it saves a lot of time compared to traditional editing software. And that is how to remove background in Photoroom quickly and easily using the built-in background removal feature.